Put a right-angled isosceles prism in front of a ray box as shown. Observe the paths of the light rays. Put the prism in front of the ray box again. But this time, the orientation is different. Again, observe the paths of the light rays. Now, arrange the two prisms as shown. This arrangement is similar to that in a simple prismatic periscope. Observe the paths of the light rays carefully. Finally, arrange two prisms as shown. This arrangement is often used in a prismatic binocular. Observe the paths of the light rays carefully.